Welcome to Virtual Field. In this video, you will learn how to set up an exam from beginning to end. You can follow along in your Virtual Field account. First, go to our website at virtualfield.io and select Sign In. If you don't remember your password, you can click Forgot Password to receive a password reset email. The devices screen is shown after signing in. Select New Exam next to the device you are using. If you see a green Progress button, there is already an exam running. To cancel it, click on the Progress button, then click on the red Quit button on the top right. The New Exam button will load the exam setup page. Here, you can select an existing patient on the left or create a new patient. The distance prescription and medical history sections are for your records only and do not affect the exam in any way. However, you will need to insert trial lenses matching your patient's distance prescription into our Magic adapters. Depending on the preferences of the medical staff in your practice, you can also have the patient wear their distance glasses or contact lenses. Please note that correction for presbyopia is not needed, distance prescription only. Scroll down to the available exam section. You can select from the exams on the left and change the pattern and/or strategy to fit your needs. Our monocular exams include the 24-2, 10-2, and 30-2 patterns, as well as an array of screening exams. Our fastest screening exam is the N30, which takes around 30 to 45 seconds on a healthy patient. Our software also includes binocular and monocular instrument exams for driver's license testing, and the Superior 36 exam for ptosis. You can find a step-by-step testing protocol for the ptosis exam in our user manual. Under Audio Instructions, you can change the virtual technician's voice to one of over 30 different languages. You can also choose to disable certain types of instructions or disable instructions altogether. For threshold testing, we recommend using the BOLT strategy. BOLT is our proprietary thresholding algorithm. The algorithm is similar to the Humphrey-Cetus strategy and the octopus top strategy. After you've configured your exam, click the Start Exam button to begin. At this point, you should give the controller to your patient and explain how to use it. Patients can click either the trigger button on the back of the controller or the large round button on top. Then you can put the headset onto the patient's head and secure it with the side straps. Watch our headset positioning video on YouTube for more information and best practices. Your patient can now click on the controller to begin the audio instructions. You will be able to monitor their progress from the computer or tablet screen. If you are testing a patient who has never used the headset before and you see high error rates at the beginning of the exam, you can click the Restart button to start over. The Restart button does not alert the patient. When you are testing a patient, we recommend monitoring them for the first 1 or 2 minutes of the exam. If they are not clicking regularly, you should re-administer the instructions and restart the exam. In fact, we recommend restarting about 1 to 2 minutes into the exam for most new patients, as this tends to improve the results in the first eye tested. Visual field testing has a learning curve, and you will get better results if you restart exams after the patient has had some practice. The exam can be paused at any time using the pause button on screen, or the patient can hold down the trigger on the remote for 2 seconds. To cancel the exam, click the Quit button. Once the exam is complete, you can click to view the results. This will take you to the report, which can be downloaded as a PDF or JPEG file and uploaded into any EMR system. The file can be downloaded the same way you download other files in your browser. Where the download button appears depends on which browser you use. Once a patient has completed 2 of the same exam type on the same eye, you will also see an option for a progression analysis report. Other important pages of your account include the settings and help pages. If you are the account owner, you'll see this Account section at the top. This is where you can add new users so that everyone using Virtual Field has a unique username and password. You can also give each person specific permissions. In the Devices section, you can rename your device and assign it to an office if you have multiple devices and offices. You'll also see sections to create new offices, do bulk export, select your defaults, and more. Lastly, the Help page. At the top, you'll find our support email and phone number. If you have any questions, we're happy to help. We try to respond to emails within an hour during business hours, and our support phone line is open Monday through Friday. You'll also see your account number here. It's very helpful for us if you have this number available when you reach out to support. In between these, you'll find our user manual. This manual is a living document, which means we are frequently updating it and changes are available right away. You can sort through the table of contents on the left, or you can search for a specific word or phrase with Command F if you use Mac, or Control F on any other computer. Under Training Materials, you'll find helpful videos and a link to schedule a live training session with a member of our support team if needed. Below that is where you can order more hygiene covers for the face pad. That's all we have for today, but we wanted to thank you for watching this video. If you feel like you still need additional training, you can watch any of the training videos in our training playlist, or you can schedule a live Q&A call with our support team. The links for both are in the description below.